Welcome back, my friends of the YTPC. It's been about a week since I came at you. We were busy getting floors done in our house, wood floors. So we were staying at the Airbnb, and then I was working. So I just didn't really have a good time to actually pull out a pipe and smoke, nor to do any of the other stuff. But I've been wanting to do this video all week because on Monday, when we went over to the other house, I checked the mail. And guess what I got? I got a box. Now this box is a little bit special because this box is actually a giveaway that I won from Parsimonious Piper. So thank you, Ethan. I appreciate it. And I'm really excited and looking forward to trying out the blends that you sent over as well as the pipes. So I'm going to just do a little box opening here, show you what Parsimonious Piper gave away. Obviously, most of you have probably already seen his video of the giveaway and what he was giving away, but we're just going to close the loop. Apologize for the bedhead, but I don't really care. Housekeeping. Got my 7LE Series 3 unfinished billard. As you can see, it has patinaed quite nicely. And let's start with the note from Ethan. He says, Jason, I hope you have a wonderful and grateful Thanksgiving. I did. Thank you very much. Enjoy these tokens of my appreciation for your support of my channel. Again, it's Parsimonious Piper. Check him out. Go ahead and give him a subscribe if you haven't already. The Briar pipe is a pipe by Lee, Dublin. Let's pull that bad boy out. Let's see if we can. The original stem had 3 5-pointed stars stamped on the side, but they have worn out over the decades. So, pipes by Lee, they go from 1 star to 5 star. So this is a 3-star pipe. 3 star meaning kind of average quality grade. 1 star being kind of the bottom of the pile, and 5 star being the nicest grain and finish you're going to be able to find in a pipe. So this is a 3-star, although we can't see the 3 stars on the stem any longer, but that's okay. This pipe was made sometime in the 1960 to 1970 decade. So this pipe is already 50 years old, plus or minus, based on these stars. It has the original stinger, which I removed for smoking. I love the old pipes by Lee and hope you get many fine smokes from this one. Again, many thanks and happy Thanksgiving from Ethan, who is Parsimonious Piper. So, Ethan, thank you very much. Appreciate this. And all the rest of you, we're going to show off what we got. So, he does mention that there's a stinger. So that means you can unscrew the stem. And there's the stinger right there. Now, what he means by taking it out is this little thing right here literally just comes out. So, this is probably going to just end up in the box with all my filters that I have that I don't use. So, one of these days I'll actually try a filter, but I'm not at that point yet. So, but yeah, so stinger is removable. Stem screws on. Beautiful, light Dublin. It's got a few blemishes or fills on this side, and some really pretty bird's eye on this side, and it's got some of the cross grain going across the front and the back and across the shank. So beautiful estate pipe. Looking forward to smoking that bad boy. All right, and then another piece of the GAW was this Country Gentleman. Now, you've seen me smoke my Country Gentleman before, which mine has a slighter bend to the stem. That's going to sit really nicely, though, and clench really well. And this one is brand new, unsmoked. You can tell, I don't know if you can see it, but in there at the bottom where the shank comes into the bowl, it is still fresh, unsmoked, unburned wood. So, one of my favorite pipes. Country Gentleman smokes so well. It's got a nice, large diameter, deep bowl. I love smoking like crumble cakes and broken flakes out of this guy. Englishes, they just hum in this. Had Seattle Pipe Club's plum pudding in my other Country Gentleman a couple days ago or yesterday, wherever it was. And again, it just smokes down. No relights necessary, and just a nice fine ash. It's a fantastic smoker. So awesome pipe there. Got some matches. Some filters, and looks like a golf tee from Arista Cobb. But that will also be good and useful as a tamper. A necessity in the pipe smoker's repertoire, pipe cleaners. Can never have enough of these guys. These are the BJ Long pipe cleaners, which I've got a couple of them in a couple bags of these, and these work really well. Then we've got a couple samples. First one is Jefferson Street, 1 ounce from Milan Tobacconists. So this is supposed to be a Burley blend. It smells like an aromatic to me, but it looks like it's Burley and Cavendish. We'll see if we can look it up real fast. Milan Tobacconist, Jefferson Street. Give this thing a tamping while the review comes up. All right, so Jefferson Street by Milan Tobacconist is named after the street our shop has been on for over 100 years. It's a medium strength sliced Burley blend with a smattering of Turkish and Cavendish. Ooh. Blend offers a rich, nutty flavor with a slight hint of rum raisin and moderately sweet finish. Nice room aroma. Oh, man. That sounds fantastic. Gets overall 3.2 out of 4 stars on tobaccoreviews.com. And that's out of 10 reviews. So, looking forward to trying that. And then the other one that we got is a tin of H&H Burley Flake. This says it's a Burley-dominated flake containing tobaccos from 3 continents. Besides Burley, this flake also contains ripe Virginia tobaccos and a small portion of dark-fired Kentucky. Well, that sounds just fantastic. This tin is also dated July of 2018. So it's got almost 2.5 years of age on it. Feels like it is unopened, and really looking forward to delving into the Burley world. Parsimonious Piper is a big Burley fan, so that was what this GAW is about. Introduce people that aren't into it or don't know anything about Burleys into the Burley genre, and I am really, really looking forward to trying both these blends out, and letting you guys all know what I think of them. And as some of you know, I am pretty open to most pipe tobaccos, and I enjoy trying everything, and I enjoy smoking a lot of them, and so I'm not afraid of anything, and I can't wait to try them and let you know how they are. So, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you the next time. Happy smokes, folks.